We're hearing from the South Florida doctor who wound up in the ICU after testing positive for COVID-19.
And he has a message for those who are hesitant about getting the vaccine. Local 10's Christina Vasquez is live with this exclusive story for us. Christina, what did he have to say?
Well, he's now fully vaccinated. So he caught COVID during that time when the vaccine was first being rolled out to healthcare workers, and he had not yet received his first shot. In fact, he says he tested positive on the day he was scheduled for that first shot. But he's sharing his experience with the virus, he says, with you to ensure that community members understand how serious it is.
Our 2-year-old daughter had contracted it through her daycare.
And by Christmas Day,
when we should have been opening presents,
Dr. Daniel Chan ended up in the ICU for 12 days. Young, with no pre-existing medical conditions, the father of 3 recounts a harrowing experience with COVID-19.
eye-opening experience for the entire family.
Sharing his story with you as concern mounts at Memorial Healthcare System at the steady and swift jump in the number of admitted COVID-19 patients.
And what's really concerning is that 98% of those are in the unvaccinated community.
Here's Memorial Regional's Chief Nursing Officer, Leslie Pollard.
About 60% now of those patients are under the age of 60.
It has been such a long fight on the front lines, and there's a certain anguish to witnessing so many sick at a time of ample vaccine supply.
And then having a younger demographic and knowing that a simple vaccine could potentially have helped these folks from being in the hospital, it's super tough to watch.
Palpable sense of just fatigue and burnout.
Which takes us back to Dr. Chan, who experienced firsthand the physical and emotional toll of being so sick that for a second you worried your kids may grow up without you.
It definitely had crossed my mind.
I hope his story resonates with the skeptics, with the hesitant.
Helps sway some minds out there who are on the fence.
And Memorial does say it is currently experiencing a 125% increase in the number of COVID-19 patients they are treating here since the start of this month. And again, the majority of them are unvaccinated. So the call to action from them to community is quite clear. They are hoping that if any of you are out there and have not received a vaccine yet, for the sake of yourself, for family, for those who love and depend on you, that you will take that shot of protection. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.
Such an important message. All right, thank you, Christina.